Originating in the Mississippi Delta, blues was used to describe the plight of African Americans. Key players of the genre included Bunk Johnson, B.B. King, John Hurt, Skip James, Muddy Waters, and Dizzy Gillespie. The Roaring Twenties, known for dancing, drinking, and promiscuity, pushed an underground nightclub scene that helped jazz music travel. During the Prohibition era, jazz grew alongside blues in New Orleans, becoming really popular in Chicago and New York, Harlem in particular. It produced stars like Louis Armstrong, King Oliver, Duke Ellington, and John Coltrane. Jazz and blues remained prevalent throughout the 30s and the 40s. Sometime during the 1940s, blues and country rock would blend together to birth rock and roll. This movement was pioneered by artists like Ray Charles, Big Mama Thornton, and Fats Domino, who persevered despite record labels and radio stations who were reluctant to play black artists. All of these music genres made way for funk and the reign of Motown records in the late 60s. Considered to have evolved through jazz improvisation, funk gave our music a new spectrum, mixing low and high note rhythms. The greats included James Brown, Sly and Family Stone, Kool and Gang, Parliament Funkadelic, Stevie Wonder, and many more. Stay tuned to Revolt Black News.